A very common and classical way to work with smokers is to do something called tasking. Now, a lot of therapists, especially in the script-based hypnosis, which is, it is what it is, are taught that if I'm going to work with a smoker, what I should get them to do is do some tasking. And a tasking might work out to be, okay, you want to quit smoking for the next 2 weeks, please go pick up a bunch of cigarette butts, collect them all together, because that's going to show me motivation. It's going to show me that you really want this and it's going to help the session, blah, blah, blah. But here's the one thing to consider. I don't recommend tasking. Tasking should be done after the session. That's for another video. We've done that before. We've talked about that before. Here's the one thing why this tasking thing before a stop smoking session doesn't work. Smoking is not the issue. Smoking is not the root cause. Smoking is the symptom. So why on earth would I have my client out there doing that symptom over and over when it has nothing to do with what the session has to do with the root cause? Hopefully you can follow my train of thought there. Now, if you're using the whole script thing, that's for other videos we've done before. You've got to stop smoking script. Now we know smoking is the symptom, so it can't really work. We've talked about real root cause and stuff before. But if you're thinking that tasking is going to help the session have a faster and better breakthrough, you really got to think again. Smoking is the symptom. The anxiety your client has, when you ask them what's the problem, they say, I've got anxiety. That is the symptom. So there's no point doing any tasking beforehand. Tasking happens afterwards, and we call this conscious or sleep tasking. We talk about this in our ACH program, and that's really for really quick, rapid breakthroughs. But all in all, guys, if you're bothering your clients with picking up cigarette butts, cigar butts, having them do things that make them really anxious because they're going to do an anxiety session, realize that all you're doing is just adding more fuel to the symptom. It's not going to help the root cause at all. So all in all, it is a big waste of time.